Under your shoes.
Okay, we're gonna do the take 2 for your YouTube channel. I started the recording.
Take two.
Yeah, take 2.
So, we're back at the top of Mount Peter.
Yeah, enjoying what very little snow that they got left.
They might...
Oi.
Woohoo!
I don't think you're gonna need this, but hey, let's use it just in case.
Thank you.
Alright, so this time try to control your speed making turns when it gets a little fast. Don't let it get fast, yeah?
I'll try. I'm not going to try and let it get fast, but...
So ski across, and when you ski almost to the end, so now make a turn and ski across the other way. Like follow me, like this way. Now we got to the end here, make a turn, excellent, and you follow the other way. And another turn.
I've never seen a YouTuber actually ski.
Well, because YouTubers just sit in front of the computer. So let's go make a turn there. And you make another turn.
Wait.
Yeah, now we're in a spot where there are like kids camping.
Kid Island! This
So,
is
let's go around.
I saw Kid Island!
Yep. Well, let's go across that way. Don't go down, go across, Michael, this way. Yeah? Because last time you just bombed straight down, so we're not doing that.
It's still...
Yeah? So here you...
Turn?
You're still going fast, so let's see. You hear that sound? This is ice.
Yeah, so don't blame me.
Yeah? Yeah. So
That helps.
that's how you put on big brakes. So let's go that way.
That's something we had to use. Now another turn.
Yeah, another turn. Yeah, and another turn.
You have a big boat. Well, this is big brake.
So we cut off this other boy. So this is a steeper drop. Yeah.
Look out below!
Oh, right there we go.
And seriously, is that Conio?
So turn the other way. Yeah.
Yes, it's...
So I think we can go in Big Mountain now.
Technically, that was a mountain.
This is a mountain. This is a smaller hill kind of. And please stop.
And
How do you do a stop? I haven't taught you how to stop. Yeah, kind of like that. Alright, so that's our take 2. Try to